Plunge into the adventure of a lifetime at Foy's Lake Base Camp. A scenic reserve of untouched wilderness. Away from the cityscape, embark on a quest of fearless rush. Where adrenaline will touch new heights with our Zipline course. Explore the crystal clear waters of Foy's Lake with a kayak adventure. Leave your comfort zone behind and surrender yourself to nature. Or set camp surrounded by friends and family. Self-reflect. Achieve deep relaxation. Grow through meditation. Enjoy quality time and experience the melody of silence. Push your limits to abandon the constraints. Join us for a night safari under a sky full of stars. Book yourself an unforgettable adventure now to witness a magical wanderlust at Foy's Lake Base Camp.